Hello everyone, please welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to share with you my Hummer H2 year model 2008. As you can see, one bulb is not working. It's very easy to change the headlight bulb, and let's get started. I'm going to turn off the light and we'll open up the hood. With the two fingers you lift the latch, and once lock is open you just wiggle around and it opens up. And this is the lock I'm talking about. It locks in here. And this is the locking nut. You twist it anti-clockwise, it opens up. And this is the bulb. And we're going to take the bulb off. It's broken. No wonder it wasn't working. The bulb is broken, and I'm going to make sure that the broken bulb is taken out. And we are ready for replacement of the bulb. So this is from a Sylvania. It's a 9007. Take this bulb off, and this is the newer bulb. Always this one goes in the front, the locking. So we're going to put, and once you put it straight, then you make sure that you press it down. Now it's firmly in place. We're going to place the locking nut clockwise. As you heard the click, it locks in. This is the connector. Put it on top, press it in, and this one locks in. And that's all simple and easy. And now let's test it. That's the passenger side bulb, which was broken, and we replaced it with the new one. Driver side was working, and I'll turn it on. Let's see. Look at this. That was simple and easy to replace your burn or fuse, or in my case it was broken. So if you like this video, like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you. Bye bye.